What's up YouTube? It's Jeff with another pickup, but before we get into it, like, comment and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always stay up to date with our videos. Let's get into it. So today we've got the Adidas Alphaedge 4D. You can see the logo right here, Adidas 4D in reflective font there. And we've got it in US 8, UK 7.5, and it doesn't have Euro size, but we'll put that on the description. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, first impressions, we've picked the, you could say like a fluorescent colorway. Not really sure on the exact name, but really love the glitter, as you can see here, all around the shoe, with a fluorescent, almost purple-like plastic thing there. Anyway, let's work our way from the bottom up. Now, starting on the outsole, all black here. You can see it doesn't have deep ridges, so no debris, dirt, pebbles will be stuck to the underneath of your trainer while running. You can see here that it's made by Continental. It's a Continental rubber outsole. This material here is actually made by car tires. According to Adidas, this will allow for quick turns, change of direction on various surfaces. Working our way up to the midsole, as you can see all around the trainer, running trainer, it's actually 4D printed, as you can see. Now, what I think, if you're trying to keep these nice and fresh, because of the way the patterning on the midsole, you can see that there's all these small holes, so all the pebbles, debris, dust will get trapped. So I think will be a really hard time cleaning this unless you air pressure this. According to Adidas, this is made from liquid resin. So all of this midsole here is made from liquid resin, and it is 3D printed. Going along the upper, the material that Adidas use is called forged fiber. This is definitely not as stretchy as Flyknit. Not too sure on why Adidas chose that material, but it really does feel like cloth. Going along the toe box, you can see it's perforated, so there is some breathability when running and when using the trainer itself. Going up the tongue, it's a fuse overlay right here. Standard lacing system here. Work our way to the back. The heel of the shoe, it is forged fiber, as there is some stability there. It's quite hard here, just under here where my finger is. Working our way back to the tongue, got the Adidas 3-stripe logo there, and you also got the Adidas logo name there, as well as the 3-stripe. Now moving back into the midsole here with the 4D printed area, you can see here that it's diamond shaped and it's quite wide. As you get closer to the toe, they become smaller, and I think it offers less give, less compression as compared to the rear of the trainer. Final thoughts on the trainer. It really does. It's noticeably much heavier than the Flyknit 2s that we reviewed recently. It will be somewhere on the right, sorry, my right. It is noticeably heavier. Can't wait to try these on and give my final thoughts, fit, if it's true to size. Let's get into it. First impressions of the shoe, definitely not as comfortable as the Nike's Flyknits, and it's quite hard to get into, so the pull tabs were actually useful. So bear in mind, if you do have wide feet, I would suggest going a full size up, half size up, or even a full size up, depending how wide your feet are. In terms of the midsole, I would say there's nothing actually special about the 4D printed technology or the material they used. Yeah, definitely not as comfortable as the Flyknit. The Nike Flyknit 2s. Definitely you can feel that, especially in the midsole, you can feel the technology there. And I don't think these are as comfortable as the Boost technology. Yeah, I'd say if you do not have wide feet, normal sized feet, go Adidas Tutor size. Again, these are over 100 pounds, £150, so it doesn't feel as premium or as soft as the Adidas Boost or like Flyknits, which is kind of disappointing. I mean, when you do get closer to the midsole, you can't really notice how. You can't even really tell about the 4D printing, to be honest, or even if it's 4D printed. So those are my impressions. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, peace.